Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your calendar view control using NCAMEO Inc., the powerful no-code, low-code platform. In this tutorial, we'll show you just how easy it is to create and customize a calendar view with NCAMEO, and how effectively it provides visualization of your events. Let's get started. First, go to the menu and select the API for your calendar view option. Once you are on the API page, select the view type and choose the calendar option. Next, choose the user interface that suits your needs. You can select from various UI options available. Now, select the list option to display your events in a list format. Click on the display option to select the title and subtitle you want to display. You can choose the title and subtitle from the drop-down menu and save your selection. Then, click on the action option to select the action type for your events. Once you have selected your action type, save your selection. Finally, save your creation and you are done. Your customized and user-friendly calendar view is now ready to use. Create your personalized calendar view control using NCAMEO Incorporated. NCAMEO's intuitive interface and powerful capabilities make it a breeze to create customized solutions without writing a single line of code. So why not give it a try today? Sign up for our software today and start streamlining your workflow with our easy-to-use calendar view feature. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on how to make the most of NCAMEO's no-code platform.